My name is Ninfa De Silva. I am from the main committee for exposition under Reverend Father Henry Falcão, the convener. I am in charge of hospitality here, and we are looking at the maintenance, the entries of people who are coming as pilgrims to stay in this village, pilgrim village. I and my team, we take the entries and we take down their IDs also, and accordingly we give these beds. There are cottages which are having 12 beds each, and we have divided them into male and female for some few purpose, and sometimes we give them as family groups of 12. So as a special facility, we also deliver food for them at the rate of 300, and which includes breakfast in the morning and lunch for lunchtime and dinner. So it is provided here. It is brought here and given to them. And so we have some dining area here, and we also have a parking area, which is ample parking area, and it has been a benefit for a lot of these pilgrims to come and have a stay for 2 or 3 days. And accordingly, it's very close to the basilica, so it becomes very convenient for the people to walk. There's a nice, beautiful pathway done by the government, which is serving as a nice trip for them to look around also while going. And it is just about 6-7 minutes to the basilica from this place.
How many pilgrims?
As of now, we have got last 3 days we have completed about 75 pilgrims. Few groups were there, 1-2 groups were there from Tamil Nadu and Karnataka, and there are also long staying guests, about 3 days, 5 days, like that also there are people come and stay here from Goa.
How is the registration of that, walk-in or online registration?
At the moment we have made one poster which I will share with you, and they have given my number. So I have been getting a lot of calls, and I'm taking pre-bookings, But all payment is on arrival. We do not accept payment from the guest. It is only on arrival which we will be getting the payment.
Madam, can you share the experience of the pilgrims here who have stayed?
So far, since it is lunchtime now, I think most of them are down, either in the church complex or veneration. As of now, they are not around here. But yesterday we had a nice experience. There was a group of people, about 29 of them, who were very happy and satisfied with the facilities made by this government and the church authorities for this purpose. And they were very relaxed environment of this place also adds to the ambience, and they're feeling very comfortable here.